Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix wireless display couldn't install in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select network and internet. On right side you just need to select your internet connection. In my case I am using Ethernet. Scroll down and you just need to expand your connection and then disable the metered connection, and after disabling it you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. This command will help you to enable the wireless display feature in your PC. Just copy and paste it in the command prompt and press enter. After getting this completed successfully, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.